Welcome back. 2026 is officially the year of agentic AI, where software doesn't just help you work, it does the work for you. In this video, we're breaking down the most profitable online businesses you can launch right now. We're moving past the hype and into real roadmaps for e-commerce, education, and services that leverage the latest AI models to scale faster than ever thought possible.
The problem/challenge. Here's the reality. The old ways of starting an online business are dying. In the past, you could spend 6 months building a course, or 3 months setting up a dropshipping store and hope for the best. But in 2026, the digital landscape moves at the speed of light. Entrepreneurs are facing 3 massive hurdles. 1. Information overload. There are too many tools and not enough strategy. 2. Market saturation. Everyone has access to basic AI, making generic content and products worthless. 3. The skill gap. People are afraid they need to be software engineers to compete in a tech-heavy world. The hustle harder mentality is being replaced by the automate smarter reality. If you aren't using AI to handle your operations, you're spending 80% of your time on tasks that a $20 a month tool could do in seconds. Exploration/development. So where is the money actually moving? Let's look at 3 high-growth sectors. 1. AI-powered niche e-commerce. Forget generic stores. In 2026, it's about adaptive commerce. Use AI to create hyper-personalized shopping experiences. We're talking about stores where the AI acts as a personal shopper for every visitor, dynamically changing the homepage based on their specific needs, and even using AR, augmented reality, to let them try on products virtually. 2. AI content and marketing agencies. Standard blog posts are dead. Profitable agencies today offer GEO, Generative Engine Optimization. You aren't just ranking on Google, you're ensuring your clients' brands are the top answer provided by AI search engines like Gemini and ChatGPT. 3. The expert AI education model. Online education has shifted. Instead of a static 10-hour video course, successful creators are launching AI tutoring platforms. You take your expertise, feed it into a custom AI model, and your students get a 24/7 mentor that answers their specific questions in your voice. Climax key moment. If you want the maximum profitability with the minimum overhead, here is the standout business model for 2026. The autonomous service boutique. Imagine a business where a single person, you, manages a team of AI agents. Agent A identifies high-value leads on social media and initiates personalized outreach. Agent B handles 90% of your customer service and sales closings via voice or text. Agent C analyzes your data to predict which products will trend next month, so you can pivot before your competitors even see it coming. This is what we call agentic ops. You aren't the worker, you are the architect. By combining specialized AI for customer experience with predictive analytics, you can run a multi-six-figure business with 0 full-time employees. This is how small teams are outperforming giant corporations in 2026.
Conclusion/summary. To recap, the 2026 roadmap is simple. Identify a niche, pick your AI workforce, and focus on personalization and automation. Whether it's AI-driven e-commerce or a specialized vibe coding agency, the tools are ready. The question is, are you?
Call to action. I want to hear from you. Which of these models sounds like the one you're ready to launch? Drop a comment below with the word START and tell me your favorite idea. And if you want to see exactly which AI tools I use to run my own business, check out this video right here. I'll see you in the next one.